Hey everybody, how we doing today? It is a Tuesday and I am off. Dione has to work again. This is probably the third or fourth video that she has had to work while I get to play. And I really feel sorry for her because she had to work both jobs today. And that really sucks. So I'm gonna cook her a nice dinner tonight and she'll be happy with that, I guess. So we're out here in, by the Marine base, and I decided to fly the drone today. I have not been able to fly the drone probably in 3 or 4 weeks now due to wind. When I am off, it's too windy. When I'm not off, it's just right. So I have to wait until it's perfect, which it isn't today. It's probably 4 or 5 miles an hour. But I really want to fly the drone because I bought a VR headset for my phone at Walmart for $5 because the app that we have with the drone on the phone will actually go in fly mode for a VR headset. So that's pretty cool. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to see if this works. Stick around and have a little fun. Okay everybody, how we doing? I'm back. I got everything out of the car. I got a camera set up over here, which is the GoPro, and I have my Nikon set this way on me. We're going to try to see if we can do it with the VR headset. This is the one I got. Came in white, pink, and blue. No black. So what you do is, this is the top. Maybe I'm going to break it. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, there it is. You actually take and put your phone inside this way so the screen is facing in, and then there's a little rubber thing. It's kind of cheesy. So here we go. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to have to take off my hat in a minute here. Also have to make sure this fits me. So just keep on watching. Alright, what I think happened was when I put the phone inside the VR headset, it hit the next button over, which was camera or video, and then it asks, what do you want to do with it? Do you want to save it on this card or the card that's on the quadcopter itself? Here, hold on a second. Let me try to get this back in without screwing anything up. Honestly, this looks kind of, well, hold on. Wow, what's going on? This is me, okay. Wow. I think I probably could fly this once it's up with this on. It's very, very clear. It looks good. So let's see what we can do. All right, here we go. Ready? Got 16 satellites up in the air. Let's see if we can do this. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Never mind. That was a bad idea what I did before. think it almost hit me. What do you think? Actually, the aerial views are pretty good. I know I look pretty stupid, but they don't look bad. I can actually control it. The turns. I'll go forward while I'm up. All right, so I tested out the VR headset. It works okay. I think I would give it to Dione and let her wear it and just to see how it is. She'll probably get dizzy on it. I've got one last battery. Ooh, it's just loose in here. Huh. I got one last battery, and then we're gonna call it. Hey guys, we went ahead and flew the drone. You just watched that footage. It's supposed to rain in the next couple days, but you know, I've said that like 10 videos and it's never rained. So behind me you can see there are some clouds. It's a pretty cloudy day, and maybe I'll do a little time lapse or something for this video. We'll see.